Edohia wa better na. Matwa dohia o. Anyone pe anyone ko. Ikigba maki honre. Kemobo kemuwe wa hia better na. Wa bo wie wa bavan wa bota. That devil ni that way. Matuwa hia o. Wa bo kan wa nare. De mi ya ma. Do wa ma de o de ma. Kemo wa me di ama. Odo ke be bon di ama. Wa hia bo kan o. Wagiari hiru mukiosa na ya sunwe dene o. Benira kebogo mo kebogo tino ho banya ma sandokwa makmonwe yo dene no rie ni ma ame do edo be na ya gbon he be na ya zo he la ori yen mi ba ma yen mi ma ya hon ma be gwa ya yin wa gbon be di Jesu Christ no nya wa ise wa ya we ise o ise na ude le kadari ade ma ye our web looking at door our web looking at door yes, we're still on the program of learning Edo imperative clauses. How in Edo language we can command somebody to do something. That's what we are learning, and we will carry it through this month. Yes, common imperative clauses in Edo language. Common imperative clauses in Edo language. Those are clauses we use in commanding people to do something. It's very interesting indeed. Amen. Amen is our Nokbo we Edo Egehia. Amen is our Nokbo we Edo Egehia. Onyo amen na ya gwa ayu na zao moma ai zao moma no wakpo we Edo ne wo ma be ma ya gwa oge hu na ya gbina na ya ti hen be na wa we ro be bi suro na takeka defio aga zao ta na defio ya we ri me ya oyi ni zao ta ri me ma defio pagbe ma defio pagbe ya don defio o de gboni ma wa we na o opo we do we Edo na se egehia I'm so we are back. I hope you are ready to take the lessons of today. I'm going to watch out, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 things we want to learn today. On this sheet. Tell me. How do you say tell me in Edo language? Tamame. So you can tell your child or somebody, tell me. Don't be afraid to tell me. Tell me. Tamame. Tell your children to come now and learn. Call them by phone to come now and learn. When you want them to do something or to tell you something, you say, tell me. How do you tell your child, Nedo? Tell me. Tamame. When you say that to a child, the child will respond. He will tell you something. Okay, following that. Speak the truth. You don't want your child to tell a lie. So now he's trying to tell you, so you tell him to tell the truth. Tell you the truth. Speak the truth. Temata. In Edo language. Temata. See, there's an apostrophe here. It's temata. So you are telling your child or somebody to speak the truth. Don't tell a lie. Speak the truth. Temata. Okay? And then sometimes we don't tell the truth. So you tell him, it's a lie. It's a lie. What the person has said is a lie. So there's a way to say that in Edo. You say, yeah. Okay, no. Okay, no. It's a lie. When your children are saying something, you will see one will say that the other person is telling a lie. It's a lie. Tell your child how to say it. Okay, no. Hey, daddy, okay, no. Okay, no. It's a lie. It's a lie. Okay, no. Oh, your children will like this. They will love this. Yes. Okay, no. Then the person who's telling lie, you can tell the person you are a liar. 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 In a language, you say, okay. Okay. Liar. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay. You see how good the language is? Liar. That's a lie. Liar. Then, okay. The person is a liar. Okay. He's a liar. Okay, no. Okay, no. You see? All right, let's look at it from the beginning. Tell me. Tamame. Number 2, speak the truth. Temata. Then you say, it's a lie. It's a lie. Then you say, okay, no. Okay, no. Your child will say, okay, no. It's a lie. Then you say the person is a liar. Okay. Okay. Liar. Okay. Oh, these are things to know. And there are ways to reply to certain persons at certain time. Wonderful. Take it to heart. Okay, second page. Now you are trying to eat some food. Something to drink. Drink it. You give it to a child or so, he's carrying the cup up and down. He's not drinking it. You tell the child, drink it. Drink it. How do you say that in Edo? Wine. We all need any wine. Drink it. Don't play with it. Drink it. Wine. See? All right. There are certain times you don't want a child or so to drink it. You say, don't drink it. Don't drink it. And in a door you say, get wine. Don't drink it. Get wine. Oh. You see a child holding something that is poisonous. You tell the child, don't drink it. Get wine. Oh, then the child will know that you don't, something like that is not supposed to be drunk. Good. Then you invite your child to come and eat. Come eat or come and eat. Do it is different from come and eat food. That one will be different. It will be dori, but come eat. Do it. You are eating, your child is looking at you, then you say, come eat. Do it. Very nice. Then your child will come and join you to eat. Do it. You see it? All right. Then you tell the child, eat it. If he's playing with the food, you don't want the child to play with the food. You say, eat it. In a door, you tell the person, Lioe. R-E-O-A. R-E-O-A. Eat it. Eat it. If it is something you don't want the child to eat, then you say, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Get your A. Get your A. Get your A. Okay, it's not everything you don't want your child to eat. Then you teach. Don't eat it. Get your A. It's a command. It's a very good thing to learn to tell your child. A day will come when you will tell your child this very statement. Get your A. Get your A. Don't eat it. Get your A. Okay? Drink it. Wine. Don't drink it. Get wine. Come, eat. Do it. Do it. Eat it. Lioy. Lioy. Don't eat it. Get your. Get your. Very nice, right? Every one of them has a place. When we are raising children, or when we are living in a meetings or family meeting or church or anywhere, each of these has its own use, and they are very effective. All right. All right. Another one. Another batch. Spit it out. Spit it out. When the child is having something in his mouth and you don't want the child to swallow, you say, spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. 12 fois. And in Ado, you say 12 fois. Very good. 12 fois. When you say 12 fois, then the child will spit it out. 12. 12 fois. 12 fois. Good. If a child is having something in his mouth, let's say medicine or food or something, you tell the child to swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. That is miere. Miere. M-E-N-E-R-E. Miere. It's not miere. No. Miere. Miere. That is very good for children. Especially if you give them something like medicine to swallow, they hold it in their mouth. They don't want to swallow it. Then you tell your child swallow it. In the door you say miae, miae. That is very effective. A day will come when you will need this miae. All right. Sweep it. Sweep it. Bolay. In the door you say bolay. Sweep it. Bolay. Every day we teach children to sweep, right? Aha. So if a child is saying something and doesn't want to sweep that thing, you tell the child to sweep it. In the door you say bolay. Bolay. Sweep it. All right. And if he's sweeping it, but it's not sweeping it well, you tell the child, sweep it away. Sweep it away. In a Edo language, you say, polekwa, polekwa, polekwa. Sweep it away. Polekwa, polekwa. Each of these imperatives is important when we live with people, in family, in church, in school, in society. And they are very effective when you use them. It's like you are training them to obey, to comply, to agree with you, and to do that thing. Spit it out. 12 fois. 12 fois. 12 fois. And the child will spit it out. All right. Swallow it. Swallow it means whatever is in your mouth. Swallow it. Miae. Miae. Don't leave it there in your mouth. Miae. All right. Miae. Then if he's sweeping, say, sweep it. Don't play with it. Don't bring it back. Sweep it. Sweep it. Bolai. Bolai. Then sweep it away. Sweep it away from you. Don't bring it near. Sweep it away from you. Bolai quoi. Bolai quoi. Bolai quoi. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's take the number one again. Let's revise what we are doing. All right? Tell me. Tamame. As you said to tell me. Tamame. Tamame. Tell me. You're always asking your children something, right? Then you tell the child, tell me. Tamame. And when he's trying to go this way and go that way, you don't know whether he's trying to tell the thing the way it is or what it is. You tell the child, speak the truth. Speak the truth. Tevanta. 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 Speak the truth. Don't lie. Don't hide it. Don't hide it. Speak the truth. All right. Then, if what the person is saying is not true, what do you say? It's a lie. It's a lie. Whatever the person is saying is not correct, then you say it's a lie. It's not correct. Oghe no. Nedo. Oghe no. Oghe no. See? It's a lie. Oghe no. If somebody tells a lie, that person is a liar, right? Then you say, huh? Liar. Liar. That means, Oghe. Oghe. A liar is, Oghe. 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 Okay, don't tell somebody Oghe when the person is not a liar. But the truth is, if he's a liar, then it's Oghe. Okay? So when you teach your children this, they will be able to express themselves. Oghe, no. Oghe. That's very good. Very good. When it comes to eating and drinking, you tell your child, he has food in his mouth, water. Drink it. Drink it. Wine. Wine. If what the child has in his mouth, you don't want him to drink it, then you say, do not drink it. Don't drink it. Get wine. Get wine. There are certain times your child is holding something that you don't want him to drink. So this will come at that very time. Get wine. Get wine. Okay, come eat. You are eating and your child is looking at you with your eye. You beckon to the child to come. Come eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. Doe, come eat. Doe, come eat. If you say come and eat food, but come eat is doe, come eat. Don't look at me. Doe. Okay? Now he comes to eat. He's trying to eat with you, but somehow he's playing with the food. He's not very serious in eating. Then you tell the child, eat it. Eat it. Rioe. Rioe. I know you come and say you're hungry later, but this time, eat now. Rioe. Rioe. And that is very instructive. And your child will begin to eat properly. All right? Don't eat it. It's something you don't want your child to eat. Say, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Get your. That's one word. Get your. The day will come when you will need this very clothes. Maybe in the public place. Maybe where some other people are eating, and your child is holding something. You don't want your child to eat that thing. You tell the child, get your. You don't want the child to drink something, get one. See it? Very handy, very good. If your child already has something in his mouth, and you don't want the child to swallow it, say, spit it out. Spit it out. 12 fois. And those language you say, 12 fois. 12 fois. Spit it out. 12 fois. If your child is playing with food, he has food in his mouth, he doesn't want to swallow it, doesn't want to eat it, you tell the child, swallow it. Swallow it. Mie. And those language. Mie. Mie. Don't hold it in your mouth. Swallow it. Mie. You see it? All right. Your child is having some dirt. He's supposed to sweep. You say, sweep it. He has a broom in his hand. Then he says, sweep it. Sweep it. Polay. Edo. Polay. You're holding the broom in your hand. Then you tell the child, polay. Sweep it. If he's sweeping it and he's not sweeping it properly, you tell him to sweep it away. Sweep it away. Polay quoi. Polay quoi. Polay quoi. Sweep it away. Polay quoi. Then your child will sweep it away. These are common lessons that we teach our children every day. And they are common in Edo imperatives. These are words we use. And people hear them, they understand. They come at their particular times, but they are common. Even Manzana, even a Tana, or what he Beladian. If you're not a Beladian, you will not lose. Or I they had to nowhere tie, or where you need, or can you need. Again, what tafwa. Polekwa. Okay, what polekwa. Okay, 1 million. 12 fois, what 2. I mean, if not my money, no. Well, what's your one of the oil? Why, I'm meow. If you don't give me a fair, but my moon, and a time. If I go among one at over here, in a hill. What you be that? What be total? Why I didn't like one wow. Timari Baga, Usagedua, Kuyabukan, Ojibukan Power Rivasi. Obukan, so I have official boy. I have no more. You know why I have in there or Rivasi. When any wine Rivasi, I think we were meal. I do not win out when I'm my moy or I'm manua. Or I give a low a kegger. No one low a kegger. Ni to kakpa mawa ina mgbe in America na we the Nigeria no go man ina gbelepo ekpo na gba lo amoso yiwa aropie na me na mwe va me ni ayo bola mo ina mo kan video me pa be we bo Chicago ihe ale UK gbira ise ari Nigeria se wo kwa na Belgium se vani aropie na mundia na ma we la we my wari na ata we ebi na mu obo epopa no yan kwepe viva ina wa ji o na ye o na yan kwepe viva ya o na na riba oba yo ma we pegbe ori edopa inu wan no oka we no ona ga ogi ore bue ona wari iye wa we de webo obi do David no one doki no maka wa de na wa ge be ewu no yo ke o mu vie yu e me na wa ato domo otope domo na ta ma we obi e bo wu e mefi e bo wu ni si You know, we talk and we get away. Now we're done. Kevo, we that's a boy, Harry, and I want to go on. I'm not to talk butter. Mana butter. My butter, you're not the boy tired. They were I put a moon, up market can old and move, boy. Yeah, quit vow. You know, woman, I know, I quit vow, me, love you. No matter I wear. Oghe na kama no pupugwe jase ba na ahia la wa ya ko ego na we gele ayi ta we na wadola agbo ya na ya yivi e me na fe pe ba ni e na wadai yi wadai oghe na wa kuda e me na lele ogo andi adon le li en ogun e mo pokia na jake oghe oni na ta we oghe onya po ni e bi okan yana kai yana wono bra oghe na ona se gbogi oghe na vitamin na we ekwe vitamin na we zeve odroki no kuma bonya kega ekpo ro yin se tin opa ye yi wa toni o wa ni ta ma oni wa ge ya o yin o oghe na wa eko time mi mewe wegbera ni ọpa wata wegbera emena wa vie pe vani ena wa lodi ke egbera o awon ni egungun ni eyi gungun to po yen ta na wegbera ona oge ebuwe ise wa to pe oge ebuwe ise kikan tell na ya kian ke ni la that when you not tiny on a minefa. Yeah, couldn't make me value better. But what tiny we better. About what they call water we better. Hey, so even a tana, no, ya might be money. Wabi wabi tota, wabi daiho. Edo, a woman or a woman. A woman, I weather. The weather, every woman. What you might be a lebba move. Ojuma bi eleba mo to opera obije to wa abi eleba bi ebi e bo bi and omu ma bo bi e o e ja yi bo e ma abu ebi e bo bi o keke no bu bi ma we na e do wa bi eleba bi agbon ya yi bi eleba bi agbon ya yi buyo ori ma buyo o ise o ga yo be ki e ge he ki o ise that boy dey afion gbe ne do ise ọba ẹwà ìnọrẹdò ọba ìtọ pẹwẹ kété ẹdí ẹgá mọ ọba ìgá mọ ọyọpọ ẹhùn dúkì ọba ìlọbọ ẹfọ ìṣẹ ọba àtọ ọpẹ ìṣẹ wẹyàwó bàbá dò wọ wíyé dò wẹgbẹ yá dò wíyí wàá mi o wọn lọdẹgẹ ẹ náà fi agbọ àfihàn gbọ wáyà fẹ oríkì tó lànà dé bàbá.